Say we want to decide whether an ordered pair is a solution of a linear system. That means if we are able to plug in this point into both equations, it has to make a true statement. So for example, say we're given, we have this linear system being negative x plus 2y equals 8 and 3x minus 2y equals 0. So we have these two lines, and basically we're asking, where do these cross, and does this point we've picked, is that the place where they cross? Is 2, 5 an option, or the point where these cross? So to do this, we have to plug this point into both equations and have it be a true statement. So we're going to plug this in for our x values and 5 in for our y values. So for our first equation, plugging in this point, we get negative 2, because negative plug in for the x, plus 2 times our y equals 8. So I get negative 2 plus 10 equals 8. 8 equals 8, because we were asking, does it make a true statement? It does indeed. So it works out in the first equation. It has to work out in both those, so we're going to plug it in the second equation. 3 times x times 2 minus 2 times y of 5. Does that equal 0? Well, 6 minus 10, does that equal 0? Negative 4 does not equal 0. So this does not work out for both equations. So what this means is this point is not an ordered solution, or an ordered pair. It's not a solution to this linear system. So say, for example, that we were given the equations x minus 2y equals 7 and 2x plus y equals 1, equals negative 1, excuse me. So, and we have the ordered point of 1, negative 3. Is this a solution to the system? So plugging in again, let's take our first equation. X1 minus 2 times y equals 7. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 equals 7. Checks out on the first one again. Taking our second one and plugging this point in. 2 times 1 plus y, or minus 3. Does that equal negative 1? 3 minus 3, oh, excuse me, 2 minus 3. Does that equal negative 1? Negative 1 equals negative 1? Yes. So in this case, this point plugs into both equations and is a true statement. That means this point on a graph is the place where these two lines cross. So this would be a solution to the linear system.